Hi, this is Greg with Blue Diesel Data Science. I'm here to introduce you to Market Look, which is a dashboard that we provide that is designed to give a comprehensive view of the market for pharmaceuticals, in particular prescription pharmaceuticals. Let's just run through the scenario that you're interested in chewable tablets for 2016. So you simply select the year and then go down here and select tablets. And in particular, we wanted chewable. So now you can come up here and you can see quickly a number of metrics about that market. For instance, there are 59 firms that have prescriptions reported in Medicaid of greater than 100. There's 132 unique proprietary names, 27 application holders with the FDA, 336 drug master filings, and the average cost of that chewable tablet is 98 cents for 2016. What you can do is you can subset the other reports here by clicking anywhere. And for instance, we want to see more about this particular drug molecule. And we know that it has 15 firms in it. There's 4 unique proprietary names. And here's a list of the firms that are there. If you go down further, you can see that there's Medicaid reported reimbursements in a table, so you can see dollar numbers. Application holders, all the people that have applications for that particular drug molecule. The national drug acquisition cost over time, and you can see that it goes up and down. The national drug acquisition cost per unit, drug master filings. And finally, if you're interested in clinical trials, these are the reported clinical trials going back to 2015. So, for instance, you can just click on a link here, and you can read the paper on that particular clinical trial. So that's one scenario. The next scenario I'd like to run through, drugs that treat opioid addiction. So you can type into the pharma class slicer opioid, and then subselect by pharmacologic class, and you'll see that there's agonists and antagonists in here. The agonist is what treats the pain. The antagonist treats the addiction. So we're going to select all the antagonist and agonist antagonists. And we're going to go take a look at what that market looks like. So we haven't subset by the year, and you can see basically this drug very quickly is dominating the market. Let's just look at 2016 out of curiosity. So $1.254 billion in Medicaid reimbursements reported for this drug. In 2016, what did it look like in 2012? In 2012, $425 million. So that's a significant increase in a few years. We're interested in that particular drug. Deselect 12. And so when you select it, you can get a little bit more information. So for instance, there's only 3 firms in that market. It's a large market for only 3 firms. There's 3 application holders. So that is a very interesting finding, I would say. And the average national drug acquisition cost per unit is $7.30, so that's significantly higher than what we saw before. So you can deselect that. As you can imagine, you can drill further. You can investigate a particular firm over here. You could look up by substance if you wanted to investigate it that way. Our general inquiry report is really made to dive into drug molecules at the substance level, but you could do it here as well. You could look up a particular proprietary name, like the famous Narcan overdose medicine that's coming out and that's getting a lot of press. And you could go look at, different types of routes or the strengths of a particular drug. So there's a lot of different ways to investigate the market. If you have ideas or concepts or questions about Market Look, please write us at Blue Diesel and we can enhance this dashboard if you think there's something that you would like to see in particular. Just let us know. It'd be great. Thanks for listening. Bye.